Southern Champion Tray is a manufacturing company in the paperboard industry, and pretty much anything you see in your Walmarts that's made out of paper that product goes into, whether it's food or anything else, that's what we do.
The culture of Southern Champion is just to be there for other people in times of need and just to always lend a helping hand.
The teamwork you see around here is just, it's probably nothing like anything else before. We just respect each other, we help each other, and that's just what we're all about.
I've spent my adult life here, and I don't think of any other place that I would have rather started or ended my career.
Over the past few years, we've been ramping up our technology. We have some robots now, robotics. We have updated conveyor systems. Everything is going towards ergonomics, so everything's leaning towards safety to help prevent injuries.
So we have a pretty intense COVID measure. I mean, everybody obviously has to wear a mask. The sanitizing policy is pretty strict. We sanitize probably every 60 feet.
As we enter the building, get into our workstations, we're required to keep a 6-foot distance while working and while passing each other, as well as taking lunch. They have designed it so, we can keep those things in place.
I know we have a lot of positions available right now, from the entry level up to an operator level. It is a pretty fast-paced work environment, but like I said, we do help each other. We pride ourselves in that, and we try to create a strong team effort and make it as easy as possible. But we do have customers to get product to, and that's what we do.